Okay, so here I have it's the COOBONS Fitness Bands. So we're gonna check out these and see how they work and stuff. We should have done this on a table, but let's see what's in here. So here we are, we see all the different bands, and I think the different bands, so here, I'll pick them up by the ends here. And so you can see they have the weights listed on them. See, so this one here is 20 pounds of weight. This one here is the 50-pound one. So, you know, that's just how much tension it's got on it. So that one's a lot harder to pull than this one. And then you can combine them together, and they have the little carabiner clips. So you can connect them together to do the different weights. So I have all so it comes with all these different ones. It comes with, here's a 10, a 40, a 50, a 20. So 10, 20, 40, 50, and probably 30 here. 30, so you can get a whole total of, it's 150 pounds of weight if you put them all together. So that'd be pretty tight. Okay, so we got these, and they have the little clippies on the carabiners on the ends. Also inside the bag we have the handles, so we can use those to pull up on it. We've got a couple of those. And then we have this contraption here, which I think I can put over my door and then clip the stuff onto it, so I can have a pulling one. And then these are probably like arm straps and things like that to do that. So let's just give it a shot and see how we do. So, because I'm kind of a wimp, I'm just getting started the first time. So I'm just gonna do, let's just say, I'll do a 40 pounder. Where's 40 pounds? 30, 40. So the green one here. And so I can clip it on here. And I can put another one on the other side. And what I'm gonna do is just put it under my foot. So if I go down here on my feet, and then if I just do this, it's like pulling up 40 pounds. It's not as easy as I thought it would be. So if I go put it under both feet. So there we go. So this is pretty good. It's like picking up 40 pounds. I'm just gonna give it a shot here and put some more weight on it just for fun. I'm gonna put the 50 on it too, so we're gonna have a total of 90 pounds on here. And we're gonna see what it's like to lift 90 pounds. These would be great for somebody who likes to travel, and because they just get so small, and they're just those straps. So here we go. So now I've got a 50 and a 40 on there. Yeah, let's try to pull that. Oh! Let's put the way harder. Okay, and just for fun, I'm gonna cut them on. See what I can do. So let's go. There's the and this one. So we're just gonna see how it goes with them all clipped on, because why not? There's no way I'm gonna be able to do this. Practice as much weight as I am. Well, I guess I can do a pull-up, so it would be like pulling myself up. So let's see, so we got all the weights on here now. There we go, I can do it. So that's basically pulling up like 150 pounds. So I guess it works. But it's not for me. I weigh like 170, so it's like, oh, my arms. But yeah, so just wanted to give it a try and see. So I think it really is pulling that right weight. and it seems to work pretty good. I'll be curious to try all the different settings on it and try different ones and I'm gonna try hooking it onto the door and pulling it down that way. See if I can do the ones where you kind of pull it away from yourself. But it's pretty cool. I like it. And it's nice, and I don't have to go to a gym, especially with all the pandemic stuff going on. But it's the, move it up here close, it's the COOBONS fitness stretch bands or something. What do they call them? Resistance bands. There we go. It's the resistance bands. Oh, and here's some information on here. So it's got, tells you what it is. So that really was the door anchor. And talks about the bicep curls. I guess that's kind of what I was doing. Different crossbody stretches, squats, different ones. So that's it. So thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and like this video because I want to get more viewers. Thanks, bye.